Hello, I'm Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Here to show you the Winnebago Forza. This is a 2018 model. Its floor plan is a 34T, so it's 34 feet long. We're going to walk around the outside, show you some of the quality that's in the coach. We've got full body paint job. We've got an Onan 6 kilowatt diesel generator. Half a body slide here. Full pass through on the storage. Got centrally located dumps, fills over here. This is on a Freightliner chassis. It's 340 horsepower Cummins XCS diesel that's in it with an Allison 6-speed transmission. You got a 10,000 pound rated tow hitch. Do have outdoor entertainment, plenty of storage as you can see, 2 full awnings. Let's go inside and look at the floor plan. Okay, coming in you can see that you've got 2 seats. These are our electric seats. They do swivel. Centrally located is your air jacks, transmission, great information center, backup camera, side view cameras. You got a dual reclining seat here, which gives you perfect access to your large Samsung TV and your fireplace. This is a great place to sit and relax after a day of traveling. You got full Corian countered sinks with a twin stainless on the sinks. Got a 3-burner cooktop and a really large convection microwave. You have full pulls on the seats, on the drawers, full pull on the drawers. Quite a few of them. Under sink, you've got good storage. Over counter, good storage. Nice pantry units here. Got a really large refrigerator freezer with built-in ice maker. This is already plumbed for the washer dryer. This is where to go if you wish to have it. That's an add-on that we do here, a dealer installed option. Very nice on the shower lavatory. And it does have the fantastic vent to fully evacuate all the moisture and stuff after your shower. Back here we got the queen size bed, and this has got 2 remotes on it. It's a Freedom Air mattress, so you can adjust either side the way you want it. You have your television, over bed storage, and 2 large vanities with 2 full drawers on the bottom. Again, my name is Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City. You can contact me 541-654-1820 or at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you for your time.